Do you want to make money in 2023? If you want to triple your money in 2023, you got to choose the right niche. But what are the niches that will make you the most money? So what should be the main selling point of your online business that makes people pay you a ton of cash? To our beginners out there who are new to online passive income, we've collected 5 profitable niches in 2023, so you can make a killing in the comfort of your own home. So let's get into the video. For our beginners out there, we want to keep this video simple enough so that all you need is a WordPress site and start making money without putting in hours or effort. The past week we looked through trends in 2022, researched what industry are going to be popular next year, and come to the conclusion of 5 potential niche ideas that could kickstart your online side hustle. We won't say that those niches are the only one that could make your site profitable. If you watched our previous video, you know that there's so many other ways to find a niche that works for you and is profitable enough to make a decent income. So in this video, we'll show you what niches could possibly have a high demand because their industry are going to be popular in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1, work from home products or anything that helps hybrid work. Companies are now expected to provide hybrid working conditions for their employees. Productivity courses and home office setups such as headphones, desks, keyboards, or laptops. The nice thing about working from home is that you can create your own environment. There's less stress when it comes to dealing with traffic, which means you spend less money on fuel. You have a healthier and happier work life since stress levels are less, and a better well-being. Number 2, referring Saas tools and other digital assets or products. Companies are now required to invest heavily on tech to ensure a smooth and automated workflow. There's a market to connect Saas tools companies with their small companies that need to save money and should or could automate instead. Number 3, are you an expert already? Do it. Fitness and health continue to bloom. The competition is high, but if you have any background in nutrition or food science, you could start a side hustle on that. For beginners with zero background, I advise you pick up something else over this one. But if you got an industry background in this niche, all you need to do is learn the basics of SEO to make 5 to 6 figures passive income. If you don't know where to start, we recommend joining the Affiliate Lab. The Affiliate Lab is a library of courses that teaches you how to write articles that sells and how to structure your website and optimize it. The best part is that most courses take relatively little time to watch and they're all based on real case studies. For more info, check our link description below and save $200. Number 4, okay, where was I? Niche idea. Traveling is back, according to this article. This year, more and more countries moved COVID restrictions, and many don't require you to show proof of vaccinations or PCR tests anymore. So international travel has become more easier since 2020, which means the traveling industry is open again. If you got a new website, this is a great opportunity for you to explore sub-niches within the traveling industry and sell products like traveling accessories or referring tours in your local area. Number 5, AR or VR. Multiple sources say that virtual experience and augmented reality are going to become companies' next investment. Customers want to try products in virtuality, which means that you could jump in and explore the niche further and recommend the best AR or VR tools. You probably want to look into this before the competition becomes too difficult. Number 6, the stables. Finally, here's a list of industries that could never run out of style. Literally every year beginners jump into them because they are simple, do not require you to be an industry expert, don't require frequent changes, there's always a search volume around it. So what you need to do is save the screenshot and give us a like if you like this video. And that's it for our profitable niche in 2023. By the way, if you haven't met me before, my name is Thulisa Sigwabe, WPHub's WordPress content creator. Thanks for sticking around till the end of this video, and make sure you watch our previous video on how to find your perfect niche for your website, and you can find the link in our description box. And if you liked our video, make sure you like and subscribe onto our channel so I can make more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.